Hello guys, welcome to Kispire Tech. So today I'll be trying to resolve an issue that we all, maybe as worship leaders or media guys, actually encounter. So I just saw this. Double click. If you open your EasyWorship 6 or 7, you see something like this, a bad image that actually says sslsparser2.dll is either not designed to run on Windows or contains an error. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you the step by step on how to fix this issue so EasyWorship runs smoothly again. Stay with me till the end so you don't miss the important step. So first of all, when it comes up, it hardly goes out. So the only way I usually shut this down is to right click on the task manager and go to task manager, or you right click here, you see list of apps, you can select task manager and your task manager opens. Then over here you can come to, if you don't see your EasyWorship, you sort your processor. If you don't see it here, you can see down here, but if you don't see it, you can sort by, you see this arrow, sort based on the highest that consume computing power to the lowest. So you can see EasyWorship here. I'll just right click on it and task, then if I close this, it works. So that's actually it. And this that error is actually caused during, it got corrupted during the installation when we were installing app. That's when it got corrected. Sometimes it may work, but I won't really say that. But you know what happens when it connects to internet and you're using maybe not paid version of the software. That's when things like that happen. So first step is close or shut down the app, which I just did. Now on your keyboard, you hold your Windows arrow key. Then when you open your Windows arrow key, you type this command, which I'll be showing you here: percentage program data. So percentage program data percentage, you click on it, run. Now this will open the program data folder. Then if you don't want to do that, you can just simply go to open your app, go to this, your drive C, see program data is naturally displayed. But for you to see it, you just have to come here, go to options, turn on view, turn on show hidden icon or folder. If you apply, you can see, if you look here, okay, you can see your program data. So this is the folder. So normally it's deactivated, so I'll just turn it off. I don't want my hidden folders to show, because it's very critical when you show. Someone can come in thinking it's just number of your normal folder and delete file in it, unless you know your computer is only accessible to you. But if not, I advise you to turn it off. So apply, okay. So that's why you use your run Windows arrow, then program data percentage, you run it, it opens the program data file for you. Then you go in the program data folder, you scroll down to Soft Touch, which is actually the software company that is actually developing or producing EasyWorship. Then you move into EasyWorship folder. So you go to plugins. When you're in the EasyWorship, you go to plugins, click on plugins, then you look for extensions. Inside extension, you see this file. So you just simply easy to click on the file, delete it, and the problem is solved. So when I close this, open the app again, and here you have it running, EasyWorship running on its own. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and if you have any issues, there's a Telegram link which I'll be dropping where I actually solve IT related problems. You can drop your comment in that Telegram group and I'll attend to you. You can also drop your issues you have with any tech or any software down in the comment section, and I'll respond to you immediately. See you guys next time.